What's up, guys? We're going on a boat ride, and here's TJ again.
What's good?
Yeah, we saw like dolphins. And also, we saw like big buildings. And because we're moving. We just like started like this like 10 minutes ago. I can see like a boat like in the distance. Well, do you see? We're just in this party listening to this music because and there's another boat over there. Let me go.
Oh, dang.
Because, and I'm just dancing, so I'm having fun. And there's like a bay, and there's like a dock where ships park and go.
Out on the ocean.
Because they're going on a ride.
There's more to see out in the ocean.
This is awesome. The beaches are beautiful. There's more houses I can see. I can see like the island. We're in a big island because it's surrounded with water, birds, and everything.